foundations of Buddhism are based on dash great truths. 6, 2, 8, 4,
चारटा चार
Four.
चार
Four.
Four.
4. Which ruler of Mamluk Sultanate was the Sultan of Delhi from 1236 to 1240?
Iltutmish.
Iltutmish.
Aram Shah, Rajia Sultana, Ruknuddin Firoz,
रजिया सुल्ताना
Razia
Razia
Sultana.
Sultana.
Razia Sultana.
Razia Sultan.
Razia Sultana.
correct. Rajia Sultana. Which of the following kings was sent by Aurangzeb against Chhatrapati Shivaji? Bahadur Shah Jafar, Adil Singh, Man Singh, Jai Singh.
Adil Singh.
Bahadur Shah
आदिल सिंह
Jafar.
Jai Singh. Jai Singh. Aurangzeb sent Jai Singh. Who discovered the sea route to India? Christopher Columbus, Vasco da
वास्को डा
Gama, Ibn Battuta,
Vasco da
Vasco da
Gama.
Gama.
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama. In which year Britishers signed peace agreement with Odisha's Khond tribe? In which year Britishers signed peace agreement with Odisha's Khond tribe? 1848, 58, 68, 78.
58
Singh.
1848. 1846 ରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା's ଖଣ୍ଡ people started a movement under the leadership of ଚକ୍ରା ବିଶୋଇ ଆଉ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ମାନେ ସାଇନ୍ କଲେ 1848 ରେ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ୱିଥ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶା's ଖଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଏଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା 1857 ରେ Pune Pact was related to reserving electoral seats for dash depressed classes Hindus Muslims Sikh
Muslims.
Depressed.
depressed classes correct
Depressed classes.
depressed classes. When was the Muslim League founded? 1902,
1906.
1406,
1906.
17,
1906.
1906.
1906.
Correct. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of Constituent Assembly? B.R. Ambedkar, C. Rajgopalachari, Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru.
बिहार अम्बेडकर
Rajendra.
बिहार
Jawaharlal Nehru.
B.R.
B.R.
Ambedkar.
Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar, correct.
Sir, question.
Who was the chairman of drafting committee of Constituent Assembly?
B.R. Ambedkar.
Which schedule of Indian Constitution contains the list of states and union territories and their territories? First, fifth, eighth, 12th.
First.
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 Correct, correct. Which of the following duties is added by 86th Amendment Act of Constitution in 2002? To cherish and
Right
Education.
to education.
एजुकेशन
follow the noble ideals which inspire our national struggle for freedom, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child between the age of
Data.
6 and 14 years.
C.
C.
Correct.
C. Sir.
Correct. Who was the first Speaker of Indian Parliament? Rajendra Prasad, G.V. Mavalankar, K.
G.B.
G.P.
Mavhankar.
G.P.
Mapalkar.
Mavlankar.
Correct, G.V. Mavalankar. In all Panchayat Raj institutions, not less than dash of the total number of seats reserved shall be reserved for women belonging to SC or ST.
One third.
Correct, one third. Not less than one third of the total number of seats reserved shall be reserved for women belonging to SC or ST in Panchayat institutions. The budget of a state under president's rule is presented before dash. The budget of a state under president's rule is presented before dash. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President, Prime Minister.
लोकसभा
Lok Sabha.
President.
Lok Sabha correct. Budget of a state under president's rule is presented before the Lok Sabha. A huge system of billions of stars and cloud of एटा गोटे मोक टाइप रहा से हिसाब रे a huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases is known as what? Universe, galaxy, constellation, world.
Constellation.
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 Galaxy. Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases. Which strait lies between Russia and a state of USA? Park Strait, Bering Strait, Strait of Dover, Strait of Magellan.
Strait of Dover.
इजी क्वेश्चन टा आसलानी
Sir, second, sir.
Park.
No, Park, no, Park second.
Park Strait, Dover Strait, Bering Strait, Strait of Magellan.
Bering Strait, sir. Bering
Bering,
Strait.
correct, Bering. Bering Strait lies between Russia and the state of USA, that is Alaska, which is the sixth largest country of the world in terms of area. Which is the sixth largest country of the world in terms of area? China, India, Australia, Brazil.
Brazil. Australia.
Brazil. Brazil.
Sixth largest कहଥିଲି, correct हला Australia. So the largest is Russia, then Canada, then कौन?
USA.
China.
Yes.
China.
Russia, Canada, then China, then USA, then
India.
Brazil,
Brazil.
Brazil,
Brazil.
then Australia, then India, seventh
Australia.
largest.
India.
India is the seventh largest, which is the smallest country in the world area wise.
Australia.
Vatican City.
Vatican City.
Vatican City.
Vatican City.
Next, with which of the following countries does India share its longest land border? Bangladesh, Bhutan,
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Pakistan, Myanmar.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Correct. Which of the following passes connects Sikkim with China? Mana Pass, Nathula Pass, Baralacha Pass, Depsa Pass.
Thula.
Nathula.
Nathula.
Nathula bus.
Correct, correct. Next. Statement କହିବି କୋଉଟା correct ଅଛି କହିବ. Correct ନା wrong କହିବ. Right na wrong? The Ganga rises in the Gangotri glacier near Gomukh. Here it is known as Bhagirathi.
Correct, sir.
Correct, correct. Ganga rises in the Gangotri glacier near Gomukh. Here it is known as Bhagirathi. Second statement. At Dev Prayag, Bhagirathi meets Alaknanda. Hereafter it is known as Ganga.
ठीक है.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct. Next statement. The Alaknanda has its source in Sattopant glacier above Kedarnath.
ठीक ଅଛି.
Wrong achi. Next statement.
Wrong, achi.
The Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar.
Correct, sir.
Correct, correct. Ganga enters the plain at Haridwar. Third statement काहींकि wrong थिला. Alaknanda has its source in Sattopant glacier above Badrinath, not Kedarnath. Next. ମାନେ କେମିତି ଜାଗାରେ ଏରର ଦଉଛି ଦେଖୁଛ ଯୋଉଟା ଭାବି ବି ନଥିବ ମଣିଷ. Next. Black soil found in Deccan Traps is considered highly suitable for cultivation of dash crops. Coffee,
Corn.
Cotton.
tea,
Cotton.
correct. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସୁଦ୍ଧା କେତେଟା କରେକ୍ଟ ହେଲାଣି 20 ରୁ? କେତେଟା ରଙ୍ଗ ହେଲାଣି କାହାର? 20 ରୁ. ସେମିତି
ଆଗରୁ କହିଲେନି.
କରେକ୍ଟ. କରେକ୍ଟ କ'ଣ? Next. Which of the following states is home to the only mine in the country involved in industrial mining of diamonds? Which state?
Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh.
Correct, correct. Madhya Pradesh is home to the only mine in the country involved in industrial scale mining of डायमंड्स माइन्सटा कोठी अछि?
पाना
पान्ना मध्य प्रदेश रे अछि।
पाना मध्य प्रदेश।
करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट, Bhotia is a caste of ST scheduled tribe in which of the following states in India? Bhotia, उत्तराखंड, राजस्थान, महाराष्ट्र,
उत्तराखंड
मध्य प्रदेश।
उत्तराखंड
उत्तराखंड।
करेक्ट, उत्तराखंड। नेक्स्ट, which 5-year plan of India was for the period spanning 1974 to 1979 with the objective of increasing employment level, reducing poverty, and attaining self-reliance?
फोर्थ फिफ्थ फिफ्थ
5 नंबर
Fifth,
5
sir.
Fifth 5-year plan, correct. Fifth 5-year plan was prepared and launched by DP Dhar with objectives of removal of poverty, Garibi Hatao, and attainment of self-reliance. Next, which of the following is the full form of SIDBI? Option देविनी सेमती कह दियो.
Small industrial
Small Industry Development Bank of India. Bank of India.
Small industrial नुह Industries Development Bank of India. Small Industries Development Bank of India. Sensex is an index of Bombay Stock Exchange top dash companies 50, 30, 40, 100.
100 ଟା ବୋଧେ 100 ଟା
40.
30 ହେଲା टॉप 30 कंपनीज देखो एमती टाइप रो क्वेश्चन पड़ी जाए मझे मझे सेंसेक्स इज एन इंडेक्स ऑफ बीएसई फास्ट तो बीएसई रो इंडेक्स जानिया दरकार बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज केतेटा कंपनी रो टॉप 30 कंपनीज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग
So year
कौन ईयर
Bombay Stock Exchange ର year
1875
75
1875 रे फॉर्म ହେଇଥିଲା which state has the highest population density in India as per census 2011 option
बिहार।
correct
Bihar.
correct बिहार ना वेस्ट बंगाल
बिहार।
Bihar,
Sorry, West
Bihar,
Bengal.
बिहार।
बिहार
बिहार। बिहार।
बिहार हैला बहुत कंफ्यूजन हुए रिवीजन न हेले बिहार हैला 1106 सबुठु हाईएस्ट सेकंड हाईएस्ट हैला वेस्ट बंगाल 1028 ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହୁଏ ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର କେତେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଏଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ରେ ଯାଉନି 382
382
382 करेक्ट 382
382.
नेक्स्ट Solung celebrated on September 1 every year is the most popular festival of Adis tribe of which state? Solung, सिक्किम, मेघालय, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, त्रिपुरा.
अरुणाचल
किम
प्रदेश। अरुणाचल प्रदेश।
Sikkim,
देखो फेस्टिवल और
किम
फोक डांस जिते रिवीजन करिवो करेक्ट हबो नहले एमती ऑप्शन देले भूल
सिक्किम।
हबो सोलुंग फेस्टिवल कौन
सिक्किम
आदिस ट्राइब कहली
अरुणाचल
ट्राइब भी
प्रदेश।
देखिवा दरकार
अरुणाचल
अरुणाचल प्रदेश बिल्कुल आदिस ट्राइब कहली आदि ट्राइब अरुणाचल प्रदेश सेमती भी अरुणाचल प्रदेश व्हिच ऑफ द फॉल हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन ओडिसी डांसर चित्रा कृष्णमूर्ति दर्शना जावेरी कुमकुम महांती
दर्शना
सगुन
जावे
भूतानी
दर्शना जावे
कावेरी। मणिपुर।
Second, sir.
नॉट एन ओडिसी डांसर कहली है दर्शना जावेरी इज ए मणिपुरी डांसर सो सी इज नॉट एन ओडिसी डांसर दर्शना जावेरी आउ समस्ते ओडिसी डांसर यथा कौन कुमकुम महांती चित्रा कृष्णमूर्ति एंड सगुन भूतानी नेक्स्ट उस्ताद अमजाद अली खान प्लेज व्हिच इंस्ट्रूमेंट सरोद
सरोद
संतूर सेहनाई
Tabla.
सरोद
Tabla.
नहीं ऑप्शन दे
Yes, sir.
सरोद करेक्ट सरोद उस्ताद अमजाद अली खान प्लेज सरोद which of the following books is not authored by Amartya Sen not authored poverty and famines on economic inequality poverty of India resources values and development এটা out of box କିଏ କହିପାରିବ କୋଉଟା ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଅମର୍ତ୍ୟ ସେନ
Second ଟା
poverty and famine
Last sir.
poverty and famine
Resources.
poverty of India on economic inequality resources values and development ହେଲା ତ poverty and famines ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଅମର୍ତ୍ୟ ସେନ କରେକ୍ଟ ଅଛି resources values and development ବି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଅମର୍ତ୍ୟ ସେନ on economic inequality ବି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଅମର୍ତ୍ୟ ସେନ poverty of India ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଦାଦା ଭାଇ ନରଜୀ
दादा है नहीं
next who was the first Indian citizen to receive Nobel Prize in literature who was the
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर
correct the winter Olympic games came into being in which year 1912 16 20 24 12 16
12
20 24
24
24
1924 ଚାମୋନିକ୍ସ ଫ୍ରାନ୍ସରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ୱିଣ୍ଟର ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ୍ସ ଗେମ୍ସ ସେତେବେଳେ ୱିଣ୍ଟର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ ୱିକ୍ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା ଚାମୋନିକ୍ସ ଫ୍ରାନ୍ସ ତ ସବୁ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦ କମର୍ସିଆଲ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଏନର୍ଜି ଇଜ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଦ କମର୍ସିଆଲ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକାଲ ଏନର୍ଜି watt kilowatt hour
kilowatt per
calorie
hour
joule
Kilowatt per hour.
correct
किलोवाट आवर
correct who proposed the laws of planetary motion Isaac Newton Johannes Kepler Galileo Galilei
Kepler
Kepler.
Kepler.
correct Johannes Kepler some resistors are connected in series in the circuit the value of current through the circuit is dash increases decreases remains same halves
Remain same.
increases
ମୁଁ କରେଣ୍ଟ ପଚାରିଛି ହେଲା କରେଣ୍ଟ ପଚାରିଛି ସିରିଜରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର
ବଢିବ ତାହେଲେ
ସମାନ ହବ କରେଣ୍ଟ ସମାନ ହୁଏ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ସିରିଜରେ କନେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି properties current through each resistance is same total voltage across the combination habo sum of voltage drops ଆଉ equivalent resistance habo sum of all individual resistance next transformer converts dash frequency voltage current both corrected voltage
both current and voltage
Both current and voltage.
correct both current and voltage next a bulb filament is made of a dash metal with dash melting
Tungsten.
point ନାଇଁ
Tungsten.
ପଚାରିନି ସେଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଛି a bulb filament is made of a dash metal with dash melting point ମାନେ dash metal ଜାଗାରେ weak ନହେଲେ strong ହବ ଆଉ melting point ଜାଗାରେ high ନହେଲେ low ହବ କଣ ହବ କୁହ
weak melting
Last
point
sir low melting habo.
strong.
Low melting point.
लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ମାନେ ହେଲା ଜଲ୍ଦି ମେଲ୍ଟିଂ ହବ ମେଲ୍ଟ ହବ ଜାଣି ପାରୁଛ ତ
high melting point
ହାଇ ମେଲ୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା लो ମେଲ୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ମେଲ୍ଟ ହବନି ସେମିତି ନୁହେଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଫ୍ୟୁଜ୍ର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିଜ୍ ଥରେ ପଚାରି ବି ଥିଲି ବୋଧେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଭୁଲିଥିଲା ହେଲା ହାଇ ମେଲ୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଟେମ୍ପରେଚର ଦରକାର ମେଲ୍ଟ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲା ତ ବଲ୍ବ ଫିଲାମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ମେଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏ ଅବଭିୟସଲି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ମେଟାଲ ହେବା ଦରକାର ସେଟା ତ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ମେଲ୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟଟା ହିଁ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ହାଇ ମେଲ୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହାଇ ନେକ୍ସଟ which of the following statements is not correct with respect to substance substance को नहीं कि कोई statement correct नुहे there is no attraction force between particles of matter move continuously in fluid and air matter is made up of particles there is an intermolecular space between particles of matter कोउटा ठीक नुहे
first option A
आउ थरे कहबी कि ऑप्शन ना सुनी गलो जानी पकेथिबो आ कोन हला
फास्ट ऑप्शन टा
सब्सटेंस को नहीं कि फास्ट तो करेक्ट होजी मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स सेटा समस्त जानी चंती देयर इज इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस बिटवीन पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर सेटा भी ठीक अछि पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर मूव कंटीन्यूअसली इन फ्लूइड एंड एयर सेटा भी ठीक अछि आ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन नाही कहितला जोटा कि थाए the force of attraction is present between the particles of substance by which they are bonded to each other. Next, name the three elements whose outermost shell has only one electron. तीन टा कहबी हला जदि मने रखी पारिथिबो ऑप्शन हेले कहबो आउ जहार आउटरमोस्ट सेल रे गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि मैग्नेशियम कैल्शियम बेरियम फास्ट ऑप्शन हबो ना नहीं
हबनी
हो चल
नहीं हबनी
आगो को कहूची हो लिथियम सोडियम पोटेशियम जी आगो
हब
मने रखी
हब एटा
जी फास्ट तो एटॉमिक नंबर सब मने थिले जाई की कहि परियो थर्ड को
हब हब
थर्ड कहूची हीलियम नियन आर्गन
सेकेंड टा
नहीं
से
हब
सेटा
लिथियम
हबो
लिथियम सोडियम पोटेशियम
हो लास्ट ऑप्शन कहूची मैग्नेशियम हीलियम नियन
ना से
हबनी सेकेंड टा दुई गणी
करेक्ट करेक्ट हैला लिथियम सोडियम पोटेशियम लिथियम रो हैला एटॉमिक नंबर केते
तीन
3
तीन
देन सोडियम रो
11
11
11
एग्रो
पोटेशियम
19
करेक्ट 19 सो समस्तंकर गोटे गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन आउटर मोस्ट सेल रे अछि नेक्स्ट which of the following is not true about acids acid को नेकी कोटा ठीक नोहे it forms H plus ion in aqueous medium that is liquid state second statement it is bitter in taste it converts blue litmus into red
बिटर टेस्ट नुह
last option last option reacts with metals and bicarbonates to form H2 CO2 and salt
बिटर टेस्ट नुह
correct
CO2 भी बाहर नहीं बटे
बी
bitter taste नुह sour in taste हबो तो रॉन्ग थिला सेटा टेस्ट को नहीं हला इट इज सोर इन टेस्ट बिटर इन टेस्ट हबो कोटा बेस
बेस
आ एटा भी ठीक थिला इट फॉर्म्स H plus ion in aqueous medium that is liquid state which of the following classifications is based on atomic number Newland's octave law Debrunner's law of triads Mendeleev's periodic table modern periodic table based on atomic number कोउटा एटॉमिक नंबर को बेस करी अरे ऑडिबल ऑडिबल तो ऑडिबल तो अरे ऑडिबल ना नहीं
ये सर ऑडिबल
सॉरी गला नेट कौन करिबि अब हौ तो कौन पचार सुविला सेते बेले अरे कहले सिना जानिबी कौन पचार
पीरियोडिक टेबल पर कौन पचरा था
ओहो पूरा सुविलानी
सर इसके ऊपर
नेटवर्क सरीगला रुह रिचार्ज करिया पड़ियो ଆଉ ଗୋଟେରେ ଜିଓ ତ ଚାଲିବନି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବ 5G ବି ଚାଲୁନି
सर 5G
5G ହିଁ ଚାଲୁନି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବି
अनलिमिटेड 5G जियो
ଅନଲିମିଟେଡ ହିଁ ଚାଲୁନି 5G ଜିଓ ହେଲେ କଣଟା ହବ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ଏୟାରଟେଲରେ କରୁଥିଲି ମୁଁ ଏୟାରଟେଲରେ ସରିଗଲା 1 ଡେ ର ଏୟାରଟେଲରେ ବି ପଡ଼ିଥାଏ ମୋର ଜିଓରେ ବି ପଡ଼ିଥାଏ ରୁହ ଏୟାରଟେଲରେ ଆଉ ରିଚାର୍ଜ କରେ
केते रिचार्ज करछंती
କେତେ ରିଚାର୍ଜ କରୁଛି ପଚାରନି ତମେ ଆଉ ରିଚାର୍ଜ ଥାଏ ବୁଷ୍ଟର ଥାଏ ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ବୁଷ୍ଟର ପକେଇବି ଯଦି 20 GB 4-5 ଦିନରେ ସରିଯିବ ବହୁତ ଜିଓର ପୁଣି କରିବାକୁ
नहीं मुको जे जियो रे आपण मासिकिया पके
ମାସିକିଆ ପକାଏନି ମୁଁ
वर्षिकिया
ବର୍ଷିକିଆ ବି ପକାଏନି 3 months ର ପକାଏ
9 से केते गोटे बोले
ହଁ କେତେ ଆଉ କଣ କହିବ ରୁହ ଏୟାରଟେଲ କନେକ୍ଟ କରେ ତାପରେ ଆସିବ ଜିଓରେ ଯାହା ଚାଲୁଛି ଆଉ ଜିଓ 4 ଏୟାରଟେଲ 4G ଯେତେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଚାଲିବ ଜିଓ 5G ସେତିକି ଚାଲିବନି ଏବେ ଅଡିବୁଲ କି କହିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Yes, sir.
yes sir
ଏୟାରଟେଲ ପୁରା ଏବେ ତ ଶୁଭିବ ହଉ ତ କଣ କହୁଥିଲି which of the following classifications is based on atomic numbers Mendeleev's periodic table modern periodic table Newland's octave Davenport's law of triads
मॉडर्न पीरियड
मॉडर्न
correct modern periodic table classification is based on atomic numbers electric bulbs typically contain chemically inert gases such as what chlorine nitrogen oxygen
नियो
hydrogen
Rayon.
option
Nitrogen.
option हिसाब रे chlorine nitrogen oxygen
Nitrogen.
hydrogen କୋଉଟା
Nitro-
କୋଉଟା
Nitrogen.
nitrogen
Nitrogen.
correct nitrogen next viticulture is dash field cultivation mango flower vegetable grapes
ग्रेप
ग्रेप्स
ग्रेप्स
Grapes.
correct grape
grapes
cultivation what is the complete form of RNA
ribonucleic
राइबोनिक
acid
Ribonucleic
Ribonucleic acid.
acid.
correct ribonucleic acid animals from which class are warm-blooded animals aves reptilia pisces amphibian
Reptilia.
warm-blooded କହିଥିଲି
Amphibians.
warm-blooded
Apes. Apes.
amphibians
एप्स
କଣ କହୁଛ
एप्स
ରାଗି ଯୋଉଗୁଡା Apes.
aves correct aves which blood cells help in clotting of blood and stop bleeding platelets RBC
platelets
Vitamin.
Vitamin K.
WBC
Platelets.
platelets
Vitamin K.
option सुनो
Platelet.
Platelets.
platelets RBC WBC both platelets and RBC
Platelet.
platelet
My platelets.
Platelet ହବ.
correct platelet କୁ କୁହାଯାଏ thrombocytes next the ECG senses the electric forces generated by dash heart kidney stomach
heart
brain
Heart.
हार्ट हार्ट
Brain, sir. ECG ଟା
Heart.
brain.
Heart.
हार्ट
Each heart.
Is
Double E যেটা heart.
ECG
Brain.
correct ECG heart ହବ EEG brain
heart.
ହେଲା ବହୁତ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହୁଏ ତ ଜାଣିଥାଅ ଠିକ ସେ ତ କାହାର
So ତା abbreviation ଟା ଟିକେ
ECG
ECG ର
एनसेफालोग्राम तो कहार केतेटा रंग हला
ଇ
गोटे सेट रे
इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम सर सेटा ईसीजी
इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम हाँ
इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम
इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम
हाँ इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम ईईजी कहि देली मु हला
अच्छा अच्छा
इलेक्ट्रोएन्सेफालोग्राम तो कहार केतेटा रंग हला एबे जाए गोटे सेट रे गोटे भी रंग ही नहीं कहार बहुत बढ़िया हम्म, एते सुंदर परफॉर्मेंस रे खुशी ही गली which Chinese scholar lived in Vijayawada to study Buddhist text ऑप्शन हला डोंग जाहोंग सु जुआन झांग डोंगफान सुओ कुई विपिंग शुणी भी नथिबो ना ना के
जुआनजान
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟା ସାର୍
जुआनजान
ଚୁଆଙ୍ଗଜାଙ୍ଗ
करेक्ट करेक्ट किए थिले से सेई जाहा
हुइंस
कथा भाबुच सेई
ଚାଇ
क्वेनजान
करेक्ट करेक्ट हला जुआन झांग was the Chinese scholar who lived in Vijayawada to study Buddhist text. Who was the Sultan of Delhi, transferred his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Iltutmish,
मोहम्मद बिन
मोहम्मद
मोहम्मद
बिन
बिन
तुगलक
तुगलक
मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक
correct, correct, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which is the Harappan city found during excavations on the banks of उल्टा पचरे देली उल्टा पचार देली The Harappan city was found during excavation in 1920-21 on the banks of which river? Jhelum, Ravi,
रावी
Beas,
सिंधु
Rab.
रावी रावी रिवर
Correct,
रावी
Rabi.
रैप
When did Nadir Shah invade India and sack Delhi?
तो सुन
1739.
1739
Correct.
1739
बहुत बढ़िया 1739 Nadir Shah invaded India. And who was the Mughal emperor?
शाहजहां
Muhammad Shah.
मोगल एम्पर मोहम्मद शाह
Muhammad Shah Rangila. Next. When was Goa captured by the Portuguese? 1605,
ନାଇଁ
1510, 1590, 1485.
1510
1510
बहुत
1510
1510 କିଏ କହିପାରିବ କିଏ ଥିଲେ ପର୍ତ୍ତୁଗୀଜ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର
ଜାମ
San Francisco
फ्रांसिस्को डी
ଫ୍ରାନ୍ସ
अल्मेडा
Albuquerque. Correct. Albuquerque. Who wrote the famous novel Ananda Math during
फ्रांसिस्को अल्मेडा
ନାଇଁ
ବଙ୍କିମ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର
बहुत
ଚାଟାର୍ଜୀ
Francis ଆଲମିଡା ନଥିଲେ
ଚାଟାର୍ଜୀ
ଆଲମିଡା ନଥିଲେ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Albuquerque
ଆଲବୁକର୍କ
ଆଲବୁକରେ
ତ କରେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ବଙ୍କିମ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ଚଟ୍ଟୋପାଧ୍ୟାୟ wrote the novel Ananda Matha during Indian national movement. Who was the founder of Home Rule League? Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, Joseph Baptist Boze,
ଆନିବେସନ
Muhammad Ali.
अन्वेषण
ଆନିବେସନ
Correct. Who was the founder of Forward Bloc Party? Subhash Chandra Bose, Sharat Chandra
सुभाष
Bose,
चंद्र
सुभाष
ସୁଭାଷ
चंद्र बोस
ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଷ
Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct. ଏଇଟା ସେ ସେଟ୍ ରୁ ଟିକେ ଇଜି ଲାଗୁଛି ନା କଷ୍ଟ ଲାଗୁଛି
ଇଜି ଅଛି ସାର୍
इजी अच्छी
Which committee recommended that fundamental duties be included in Constitution of India?
स्वरण सिंह
स्वर्ण
कमेटी
सिंह कमेटी
स्वरण सिंह कमेटी 1976
Correct.
42
Varan Singh Committee, 42nd Amendment Act, 1976. According to which article, Parliament amended the Constitution and inserted secular, socialist, and integrity in the preamble of Constitution?
सेकंड
42
According to which article पचारिଛି ମୁଁ ହେଲା Article 358, 359, 368, 366.
amendment
368
368 sir
Correct.
368
Article
368
368. Parliament amended the Constitution under 42nd Amendment and inserted the words secular, socialist, and integrity in the preamble of the Constitution. Next. The fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution were added by which Amendment Act?
42
42
Correct. 42nd Amendment. Who acts as the chairman of joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Senior most
President.
Speaker of Lok Sabha.
President.
chairman of joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. କିଏ ହେବେ?
President.
Speaker of Lok Sabha. Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Correct. Speaker of Lok Sabha. ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ absence ରେ Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Deputy
ଆଉ
Speaker of
ତାଙ୍କ
Lok Sabha.
absence ରେ Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Next.
ପ୍ରୋକ୍ଲେମ୍
Proclaim.
ସ୍ପିକର କେତେବେଳେ
Pro-tem speaker ଥାନ୍ତି।
କଣ?
ତା casting vote time ରେ। Casting vote time ରେ।
बिल्कुल। Which article of Constitution of India prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion?
Article 15. It's a religion.
14, 15, 16,
Not
17.
15.
15.
Untouchability.
Article 15. Article 15. Next. Under which article of Constitution there is provision that governor of a state shall, at the expiration of every 5th year, constitute a finance commission to review the financial position of panchayats and to make recommendation to this governor.
Option sir.
155.
क्वेश्चन हला जे गवर्नर कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करे फाइनेंस कमिशन टू रिव्यू द फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन ऑफ पंचायत रिव्यू करिया पे आ तार रिकमेंडेशन को 243 243x 243y 243i 243h
43
G के सर G अछि।
I
243i governor of a state shall as soon as may be within 1 year from commencement of constitution and thereafter at the expiration of every 5th year constitute a finance commission to review the financial position of panchayats and to make recommendation to the governor. 243i. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with financial emergency? 260, 360, 460, 160.
360. 360.
360. National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission NCDRC. National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission NCDRC was established in which year under Consumer Protection Act 1986? NCDRC was established in which year? National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission 1987, 88, 91, 95.
91.
Under the act first the Consumer Protection Act 1986 under रे established ହେଇଥିଲା in the year 1988. It is a quasi judicial commission. National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission in the year 1988. Next. Our solar system is a part of which galaxy? Board, Andromeda,
Milky Way. Milky Way.
Correct. Milky Way, correct. The Bering Strait connects dash and dash. Option हिसाब रे कहबो.
Russia.
ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ଅପସନ୍
Russia.
ସେଇଟା ପଚାରିକି ପୁଣି ରିପିଟରେ ପଚାରିବ. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ବେରିଂ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ କନେକ୍ଟସ୍ ଡ୍ୟାଶ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡ୍ୟାଶ. ଅପସନ୍ ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଓସେନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଜାଭା ସି, ଆର୍କଟିକ୍ ଓସେନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପାସିଫିକ୍ ଓସେନ୍, ଆଟଲାଣ୍ଟିକ୍ ଓସେନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗଲ୍ଫ ଅଫ୍ ହଡସନ୍, ମେଡିଟେରାନିଆନ୍ ସି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଟଲାଣ୍ଟିକ୍ ଓସେନ୍.
Second sir. Second. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Second.
Atlantic and Mediterranean. Mediterranean.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ. Second sir.
ପାସିଫିକ୍ କୋଉଠି ନଥିଲା, ଥିଲା ପାସିଫିକ୍ ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଟଲାଣ୍ଟିକ୍ ସହିତ ନଥିଲା.
Arctic.
Arctic.
କରେକ୍ଟ. ତ କୋଉଟା ହବ?
ଏଇ ଗୋଟିକ।
Second.
बिल्कुल. Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Bering Strait connects Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Durand Line divides which two countries? Pakistan, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan.
Pakistan, Afghanistan, Afghanistan,
Suno.
Pakistan.
Correct. Afghanistan and Pakistan. Next, Redcliffe Line has become the international border between
India,
India
Pakistan.
and dash.
India,
Pakistan.
India, Pakistan.
ଏମିତି ଦେବା କଥା ନୁହଁ, ଗୋଟେ ସେଟ୍ରେ ଦିଟା ଲାଇନ୍, ସେ ପୁଣି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ନାଇବର। ହଉ ଛାଡ଼। Which of the following is not a Himalayan mountain pass connecting ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ with ତିବ୍ବତ? ମାନେ କୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ପାସ୍ ନୁହେଁ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡକୁ ତିବ୍ବତ ସହିତ କନେକ୍ଟ କରେ? ସିପକିଲା, ମାନା ପାସ୍, ନୀତି ପାସ୍, ମାଂସାଧୁରା।
Last one, sir.
Mansur.
Mansudhura.
Man-
ରଙ୍ଗ ସମସ୍ତେ ରଙ୍ଗ। ସିପକିଲାଟା ତ
Sipkila,
ହିମାଚଳ
sir.
ପ୍ରଦେଶରେ
Himachal Pradesh.
ହେଲା।
Okay.
ମାଂସାଧୁରା ବି ଅଛି ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡରେ, ମାନା ପାସ୍ ବି ଅଛି ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡରେ, ନୀତି ପାସ୍ ବି ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ। Which of the following rivers flows from east to west? East to west. ମହାନଦୀ, ଗୋଦାବରୀ, ନର୍ମଦା, କୃଷ୍ଣା।
ନର୍ମଦା।
Narmada.
ନର୍ମଦା।
Krishna.
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ, ନର୍ମଦା।
Narmada.
ଆଉ ସବୁ ତ ବେ ଅଫ୍ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି। ନେକ୍ସଟ, which soil is well known for its capacity to hold moisture? Laterite
Black
soil,
Alluvial.
arid soil, black soil, alluvial soil।
soil.
Alluvial soil.
Black soil.
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ, ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ସଏଲ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୱେଲ୍ ନୋନ୍ ଫର୍ ଇଟ୍ସ କାପାସିଟି ଟୁ ହୋଲ୍ଡ ମଏଶ୍ଚର। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ଲାଗେ ରାଜେଶକୁ ଖେଳିବାକୁ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ସଏଲ୍ରେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ, ବୋକାରୋ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ୱାଜ୍ ସେଟ୍ ଅପ୍ ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଇନ୍ 1964 ୱିଥ୍ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିଜ୍ କୋଲାବୋରେସନ୍? Soviet Union, Britain, Germany,
Soviet Union.
Russia. Ar.
କୋଉଟା?
Russia. Soviet Union. Soviet Union.
Soviet Union, USSR, correct. Next, এটা ଟିକେ ଇଜି ଅଛି ନା SSS2। Next, which of the following 5-year plans was based on Mahalanobis model?
Second
Second.
time.
First,
Second.
Second, sir.
Second.
Second fiber plan.
correct, second na third?
Second.
Second.
Third ta
Third.
Godgili.
Gadgil,
Godgil.
Godgil.
first ta
Horudamar.
Horodamar। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବ, what does the term bank rate refer to? bank rate ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଅପସନ ହେଲା rate of interest charged by a central bank in its loan to commercial bank. Second option, rate of interest charged by a scheduled commercial bank on its loan to private sector bank. Third option, rate of interest charged by a private sector bank on its loan to commercial bank. Last option, rate of interest charged by a non-scheduled bank on its loan to individuals.
First one, sir.
Third option.
First one. First.
ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ର ତ କିଛି ମେନସନ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ, ତ ହବ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ। ତ
ନା,
କରେକ୍ଟ
sir.
ଆନ୍ସର ଏଲିମିନେସନ ରେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ରେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଚାର୍ଜ ବାଇ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଇନ୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ଲୋନ୍ ଟୁ କମର୍ସିଆଲ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ। According to recommendation of which committee, National Stock Exchange was established in India? Rajesh Krishnan committee, Rajesh ଆସିଗଲା। Next, Sri Krishna committee, Pherwani committee, Venkatachelya committee।
Last one, ki sir?
Venkatachelya.
Pherwani committee,
Sri Krishna.
Pherwani committee. Establishment of National Stock Exchange in India was done on the recommendation of MJ Pherwani committee in India, and it was the first exchange to offer a fully digital facility. Nifty 50 ହେଲା କାହାର index? NSE ର। ଆଉ Sensex କାହାର? BSE ର ହେଲା।
BSC ର Bombay Stock Exchange.
Nifty ହେଲା NSE ର। Next, according to census 2011, the decadal population growth rate of India was approximately dash percent.
17.6
14.8%, 20.98%, 17.64%, 12%.
17.64%.
Correct.
17.64%.
Which of the following festivals is associated with Assam? Baisakhi, Bihu, Pongal, Onam।
Bihu.
Correct। ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବକ୍ସ ହେଇପାରେ। ରେଚୁଙ୍ଗମା, ଘାତକିତୁ, चिरुमु are dense forms of which state?
मिजोरम
अरे रुहस
मिजोरम
रेचुमा घाटो कीटो चिरुमु are dense forms of which state? सिक्किम मणिपुर अंडमान निकोबर गोवा
सिक्किम
सिक्किम
अंडमान निकोबार
सिक्किम
सिक्किम
करेक्ट ହେଲା
तो
रेचुमा घातो कीटो चिरमु याकछाम चुफाट ए सबु ହେଲା सिक्किम रो फुगड़ी मांडी को स्टेट रो गोवा रो
गोवा
मध्य
गोवा
गोवा रो
गोवा
गोवा
बुया बुया वांचो चालो
अरुणाचल प्रदेश
अरुणाचल करेक्ट चेरियल इज ए
सर रेकॉर्डिंग होची
बिल्कुल चेरियल इज ए स्टाइल ऑफ पेंटिंग यूनिक टू व्हिच स्टेट मध्य प्रदेश
तेलंगाना
आंध्र प्रदेश तेलंगाना कर्नाटक
तेलंगाना
तेलंगाना
करेक्ट चेरियल हला तेलंगाना रो जोटा जीआई टैग में मिलची हु रोड द बुक व्हाई आई एम हिंदू मनमोहन सिंह शशि थरूर नरेंद्र मोदी
भगत सिंह
अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी
भगत सिंह
अटल
ऑप्शन नहीं भगत सिंह मनमोहन सिंह शशि
आउथरे
थरूर
आउथरे
अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी नरेंद्र मोदी
और
शशि थरूर
सर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी
शशि थरूर
नहीं
व्हाई आई एम हिंदू हला शशि थरूर हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए नोबेल प्राइज विनर कैलाश सत्यार्थी अमर्त्य सेन महात्मा गांधी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर
महात्मा
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 गांधी
गांधी
महात्मा गांधी
करेक्ट करेक्ट which among the following countries hosted first commonwealth games in 1930 30 रे
यूके
ऑस्ट्रेलिया कनाडा न्यूजीलैंड
कनाडा
इंग्लैंड
कनाडा
करेक्ट
कन्नड़ा
करेक्ट कोठी हितला की कहि परिबो
मॉन्ट्रियल
हैमिल्टन रे हितला कनाडा रो हैमिल्टन 1930 फर्स्ट कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स which of the following is not a unit of work not a unit of work kg meter per second square जूल न्यूटन मीटर केजी मीटर स्क्वायर बाय सेकंड स्क्वायर
लास्ट टाइम
लास्ट
न्यूटन सर
आउ थरे
फोर्स
ऑप्शन कहि दूची आउ थरे कोन मते सुबुची मो कथा केजी मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर केजी मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर न्यूटन मीटर जूल
केजी मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर
सेकेंड टा
न्यूटन टा लगु
केजी मीटर स्क्वायर जोटा सेठा हबो
फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुए वर्क तो न्यूटन मीटर तो हबोनी
न्यूटन टा
हला जूल भी अच्छी ठीक अच्छी न्यूटन मीटर भी हबो ठीक अच्छी केजी मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर भी हबो जदि तमे भांगी दबो सब कहार यूनिट हिसाब रे तो से हिसाब रे kg meter per second square is not the unit of work first option kg meter per second square is not a unit of work when a body is completely or partially immersed in a fluid the body experiences a force equal to weight of the displaced fluid this principle is known as which law Pascal's
आर्किमिडीज
law Stokes law
Archimedes
Archimedes principle Newton's law of
आर्किमिडीज
Archimedes
Archimedes
principle.
principle.
Archimedes principle. Which of the following devices converts chemical energy into electrical energy? Which of the following devices converts chemical energy into electrical energy?
बैटरी
Transformer,
Battery.
battery,
बैटरी
wheel, electric generator.
बैटरी
Battery.
Correct.
Battery.
Battery, correct. Which of the following is not correctly matched as per invention? Penicillin, Alexander Fleming. Smallpox vaccine, Edward Jenner. इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन टेलीफोन जॉन लोजी बेयर
लास्ट वन
लास्ट
सर
Geology पढ़े.
Telephone.
ग्राम बेल
टेलीफोन जो
Graham Bell हबो.
ग्राहम बेल
ग्राम बेल
टेलीफोन है कि टेलीविजन हवा कथा जॉन लोजी बेयर व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए केमिकल चेंज कोटा सोरिंग ऑफ बटर मेकिंग ऑफ ड्राई आइस फ्रॉम CO2 आयरन मैग्नेटाइजेशन हीटिंग ए प्लैटिनम वायर
फास्ट था
And second time.
फास्ट था
सेकेंड टा सर
Changing of a dry ice to carbon dioxide.
फिजिकल चेंज था
कोटा केमिकल चेंज
First water.
Soaring of butter, correct. Soaring of butter is a chemical change. Also physical change. The number of neutrons in an atom is equal to dash. Mass number, atomic number, mass number minus number of protons in atoms, number of electrons.
mass
Acha.
number ଆଉ
Mass number.
minus proton.
minus
बिल्कुल
proton.
बिल्कुल. Number of neutrons in an atom is equal to mass number minus number of proton in atoms. Which is an alkali among the following? CuOH whole 2, NaOH, ZnOH whole 2, FeOH whole 3. Which is an alkali?
Then which
CuOH
बहुत इजी ऑप्शन अच्छी. Caustic soda.
Na.
NaOH.
NaOH. NaOH is an alkali. In the fourth period of periodic table, dash elements are present. केतटा element अछंती fourth period? 8, 18, 28, 38.
28.
18
18.
Period. Fourth period 18टा correct. First period 2, second period 8, third period 8, fourth period 18, fifth period 28, sixth period 32. Next, atomicity of phosphorus is dash 3, 4, 5, 7. Atomicity of phosphorus
4.
3.
tetraatomic 4 correct.
4.
Phosphorus has atomicity 4, tetraatomic. Atomic number 15. 285. Next, what is morphology? Study of insects, study of human development, study of interdependence of organism and environment, study of shape,
Data.
structure and specific structural properties of the organism.
Last sir, organism जोटा.
Correct. Study
Morphology.
of the shape, structure and specific structural properties of the organism. Mammalian animals have dash chambered heart. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Fourth
Four
chapter.
Four
chambers.
chambers.
Fourth chamber, correct. Which of the following elements is the part of heme of human blood? Hemoglobin. Manganese, iron, magnesium, cobalt.
Iron.
Hemoglobin.
Iron.
Iron, correct. Iron. When a person can see only nearby objects, the condition is called what? Astigmatism,
Hypometropia.
hypermetropia,
Spectrometry.
myopia, retinopathy.
Spectrometry.
Myopia.
Myopia.
जोटा देखिपार सेईटा रोग है पाखर देखिपारुची माने मायोपिया नियर साइटेडनेस. नेक्स्ट, ए सेट रे कहार केतेटा रंग हला ना हेलानी सब ठीक ही गला और खुशीर कथा. The noted traveler and writer Muhammad Ibn Battuta, who traveled to many countries including India in the 14th century, belonged to which country? Algeria, Morocco, Ghana.
Morocco.
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 Morocco, correct. Who is the author of the book Gita Govindam, written during medieval India?
Jayadeva.
Jayadeva.
Correct. In which city of India East India Company set up their first trading center? Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai, Delhi.
Surat. Surat.
Surat, correct. Which Mughal emperor had his inscriptions engraved on rocks and pillars during his reign from 273 BC to
Ashoka.
51 BC?
Ashoka.
Correct. Ashoka. Which in Harappan civilization site was exclusively devoted to craft production including bead making, shell cutting, metal working, seal making and weight making?
Mohenjo-daro.
Lothal.
bead making, shell cutting, metal working, seal making, and weight making. Mohenjo-daro,
Sir, option.
Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Chanhudaro, Nageshwar.
Harappa.
Mohenjo-daro.
Harappa.
ଗୋଟେ ହିଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ବିଡ୍ ମେକିଂ ସେଇଥିରେ ଜାଣି ପକେଇବ ସମସ୍ତେ। ଚାହ୍ନୁଦାରୋ
Harappa.
Chanudaro.
Chanudaro.
ଚାହ୍ନୁଦାରୋ ନେକ୍ସଟ who dash which of the following organization was established by Atmaram Pandurang in Bombay in 1867? ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ସମାଜ,
ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ସମାଜ
ସତ୍ୟଶୋଧକ ସମାଜ,
Pratana
ସମାଜ
ବ୍ରାହ୍ମ ସମାଜ।
Prathana Samaja.
Correct.
Prathana.
Pratthana Samaj, established by Atmaram Pandurang in Bombay in 1867. The member of Khudai Khidmatgar organization was famous as name of Dash Kurti. Red Kurti, Blue Kurti, Black Kurti.
Khan. Red.
ରେଡ୍
Red.
Correct. Red Kurti. Which of the following acts was passed by British Parliament defining the powers and responsibilities of various organs of East India Company? Which of the following acts was passed by British Parliament defining the powers and responsibilities of various organs of East India Company? Indian Councils Act 1892, Regulating Act 1773, Peats India Act 1784, Government of India Act 1858.
1773
Government of India.
Regulating Act of
Government.
1773.
1773
Regulating Act 1773. Next. ଆଗକୁ ଆସିବ ରଙ୍ଗାଲି ବିହୁ। Keswananda Bharti case in 1973 stemmed the question that preamble can dash be
ପାର୍ଟ
amended,
ଅଫ୍ କନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁସନ୍
not be amended,
Part
be
of.
changed completely, be separated into
ନଟ୍
section.
ବି ଆମେଣ୍ଡେଡ୍
କଣ କହିଥିଲା?
ଆମେଣ୍ଡେଡ୍ ହେଇପାରିବନି
amended ହେଇ ପାରିବ
ହବନି
ପାରିବନି
Boni.
ନାହିଁ
Nine.
ନା
କହିଥିଲା। ହେଇପାରିବ କହିଥିଲା, ହେଇପାରିବନି କେବେ କହିଥିଲା? ବେସିକ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବନି କହିଥିଲା। ଫର୍ଟି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ଆକ୍ଟ 1976 ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଇଥିଲା କେଶବାନନ୍ଦ ଭାରତୀ କେସ୍ରେ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିଥିଲା ଯେ ପ୍ରିଏମ୍ବଲ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଜ୍ ଏ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଦ ପ୍ରିଏମ୍ବଲ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ବି ଆମେଣ୍ଡେଡ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 368 ବଟ୍ ଦ ବେସିକ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଅଫ୍ ପ୍ରିଏମ୍ବଲ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ନଟ୍ ବି ଆମେଣ୍ଡେଡ୍ ଏଇଟା କହିଥିଲା। ନେକ୍ସଟ Which article of Indian Constitution is related with right of President to address and send messages to houses? Right of President to address and send messages to houses. Article 84, 86, 88, 90.
Eight.
86.
86
Hayasi.
86, correct. 86 है right of President to address and send messages to houses. 84 है qualification for membership of Parliament. 88 है rights of ministers and attorney general with respect to proceeding of houses. 90 है deals vacation and resignation of and removal from office of deputy chairman, a member holding office as deputy chairman of council of states. Next. Dash takes the decision to declare any bill to be a money bill. President of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chairman of
Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Speaker of Lok Sabha. What does Article 243C deals with? 243C. Provision for
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ
Provision for early childhood care and education to children below age of 6 years. Name and territory of union. Composition of panchayats. Protection of life and property.
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ
Composition of
पंचायत
Composition of panchayat.
बिल्कुल 243 सी कंपोजिशन ऑफ पंचायत. Which amendment of Constitution of India removed right to properties from fundamental right?